Hello everyone, we are going to Disneyland today. Woo! We currently have 4 options for ears. Thanks to Jaehee. This is option 1. Option 2. Option 3. I think this matches my blue. Haunted Mansion themed. And then we have this one. This one's kind of my favorite. A Canada hat. Why is it Canada?
It's from like one of the parks, and then it's in the Canada land.
Oh, I see.
That one. Actually, I like Haunted Mansion. I'm gonna sneeze.
Meow meow.
What's he scared of? He's scared of your hat.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna be at the hotel in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Wow! Wow! Food home.
We brought lamb.
The show for today.
Oh! And this. So good.
I have not.
I need Okay.
Okay, everybody, we're gonna be getting drunk.
Yeah, we need to finish these 2 bottles right now. Right.
We will be giving Nicole water because she's not 21 yet.
The vibes.
Cheers!
Cheers! Oh my god. Wait, I wasn't ready for it.
Cheers, everybody.
It's like, she's gulping, she's gulping. Oh my god. Ah! We are washing the grapes.
Hey, Jingers. My name is Yoojin and I am 1 shot in.
My name is Jaehee and I'm 1 shot in. My name is Angie and I'm 1 shot in. Where's Nicole? Oh, you have to say I'm 1 water shot in.
My name is Nicole and I'm 1 water shot in.
Good. Oh my, she's so smart, everybody. Innovative Yoojin. So smart.
Good enough, man.
This is so cute. And that's so cute. This is so cute.
Guys,
Okay, and then water for Nicole.
Nicole, when are you gonna turn 21?
I know.
Stay hydrated.
Yes. Yeah.
Second shot. These grapes are great chaser.
Let me feed it to you. Oh, yes. Oh!
My name is Yoojin and I am 2 shots in.
My name is Jaehee and I'm 2 shots in. My name is Angie and I'm 2 shots in.
My name is Nicole and I'm 2 water shots in.
Cheers to Jaehee. Cheers. We're manifesting. 凡是来
Okay, everyone, we are
3 shots in. She's trying to pour the whole thing. Oh my god, guys, it's like a glass of soda. Oh my.
I can't. I literally can't.
Did you drink a little bit?
I drink a little bit.
Okay. We just finished 2 bottles. Actually, I didn't even finish that though.
That was 19 minutes.
We killed 2 bottles in 19 minutes.
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm still going.
I have this much left.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix mine.
Oh! Stop.
Okay. We're done. Okay, everyone. 5 shots in. And we're going to Disney.
Oh my gosh. So it's like 8 o'clock and we're finally going to Disney.
Jaehee works at Disney.
Wait, what?
So she gets to take 3 people for free.
And it's always my special friends. I'm gonna cry.
Guys, this is our hotel. And this is literally Disney. We literally walked 2 minutes and we're at Disneyland.
Wait, is this Disneyland or downtown Disney?
Oh, it's downtown Disney? Oh, that's embarrassing.
I think it's downtown.
Okay, everyone, we walked 2 minutes and we're at downtown Disney. We're here! Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm excited.
You ready for your pose?
I got Donald. Daisy. 100th year celebration. They're so cute. Of the Disney company.
Haha.
Why? It's fine.
So disgusting.
I don't know where else to put it. They're walking so fast.
She put ketchup in the ranch. Can you put it in the comments down below if that's disgusting or not?
Why is that disgusting?
I don't like ketchup that much. Maybe that's what it is.
Just eat around it.
So rude.
They're already over there. We're getting our first drink at Disney.
At the Food and Wine Festival. Apricot tequila colada.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Sounds so good.
Mine just tastes like water.
Mine tastes like coconut and apricot. Like fennel.
Oh yeah, that's better.
They're all so sweet.
Oh, really?
They're so sweet.
That's really good.
It's broken. We're stuck here forever.
We're literally stuck here. Should we just collectively pee? One more time.
One more time, everybody.
Round two.
So now we're gonna be riding. What was this ride again? I forget. The swing screen
Screen thingy.
It's flying over California.
Yes.
You guys, what was this ride again?
Spider-Man?
Oh.
Soaring over California. I should've
Soaring over California. Whoa, there's like no line.
You guys look the same right now.
The smoke came out and then now this thing opened.
No, you can.
Oh, we can put it. Okay. Everyone, I just found my new towel. Okay.
Nothing can stop us now.
Nothing can stop us now. Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop. I can't do it. Nothing can stop. I can't.
Good night, everybody.
Bye-bye.